In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Google Analytics 4.0 in WordPress. If you're ready to take your website's analytics to the next level, this guide will walk you through every step. First, we need to create an upgraded Google Analytics property. This is crucial because Google Analytics 4.0 is designed to provide more comprehensive insights and a better understanding of your audience's interactions with your website. So head over to your Google Analytics account and create a new GA4 property. Make sure you have proper access to your existing account so you can seamlessly upgrade. Now that we've got the new property set up, it's time to integrate it with your WordPress site. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Plugins section. This is where you'll find all the add-ons that can enhance the functionality of your WordPress site. Click on Plugins to open the full list of available plugins. This is a critical step because plugins are essentially the bridge that will connect your new GA4 property with WordPress. In the search bar, type SiteKit by Google. SiteKit is a powerful tool developed by Google that helps you connect your WordPress site to Google services, including analytics, with ease. Once you've located the SiteKit plugin, go ahead and install it. After it's installed, don't forget to activate it. This activation will enable the plugin to start working its magic on your site. With SiteKit activated, follow the setup instructions provided within the plugin to link it to your Google account. This process will allow SiteKit to pull data from your new GA4 property and display it directly in your WordPress dashboard. It's a user-friendly process, but make sure you authorize the plugin to access your Google account so it can function correctly. After setting up the plugin, you'll be guided through the process of linking your Google Analytics 4 property. This involves selecting the newly created GA4 property from the list of available properties in your Google account. Make sure you select the correct one, as this will be the source of all your site's analytics data moving forward. Once everything is linked and configured, take a moment to explore the new metrics and insights available through Google Analytics 4.0. You'll notice that GA4 offers a more detailed view of your traffic sources, user interactions, and conversion paths. This upgrade is a significant step in understanding and optimizing your audience's journey on your website. And that's it! You've successfully upgraded to Google Analytics 4.0 in WordPress. By following these steps, you're now equipped with a more robust analytics tool that will help you make data-driven decisions for your site. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to consult Google's support resources or reach out to the WordPress community. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing!